Hello friends, welcome back in Eesha TV. Dear friends, today we will make Augusta Westland Helicopter model and I hope you will enjoy this video. Please watch complete video. Finally, after very hard work on Photoshop, I have created blueprints for the helicopter which I will use to create the model. I will paste these blueprints on acrylic sheet, then I will cut them. Here I am using handsaw for cutting all the parts. Here I have already cut all the parts to save the time. Now assembling all the parts as per blueprints. Here I am marking for helicopter body, then will cut and make proper body shape. Friends, I have filled the spaces with 3D pen filament to make the smooth surface of the helicopter. Now I am cutting unnecessary parts as per marking. Using sand drum to make perfect nose shape of the helicopter. Also here I am cutting tail end using Dremel 4000 with grinder disc. These small parts I will assemble on top of the body of helicopter. Again, I am using sanding drum and sandpaper to smooth sharp edges of the body. Here I am using PVC sheet to make blades of the helicopter. You can also make this PVC sheet from PVC pipe at home. As I need 4 blades, so I have marked 4.5 inches for each blade. Now I am making tail propeller from PVC sheet again. Here I am using 1-inch nail to fix the tail propeller. Friends, here I have cut 2 small pieces from PVC sheet which I will use to assemble the blades. I have painted blue color on blades and tail propeller, and painting white color on the rest of the body of helicopter. I am using acrylic sticks which I made from acrylic sheet to make landing stand for the helicopter. And I am going to paint it as grey color. Here I am using shiny colored stickers for detailing and graphics. I am assembling blades, tail propeller and the landing stand. Here it is. Augusta Westland Helicopter model is ready to fly.